When you come home after a long, exhausting day, there's not much time left to book an appointment at the spa. But luckily, with this machine, it's very easy to give yourself a complete spa day at home. It has an easy-to-read program display, it offers no noise, it's got a wide foot area, and it's also non-slip. This foot massager comes with a remote control. It's ergonomically designed to be used while sitting on a chair at home or even in your office. Our machine offers deep kneading, acupressure, as well as rolling technology to relieve muscle pain, fatigue, or even tension in your muscles. Promote blood circulation, helps to tone muscles. It also promotes relaxation for the entire body. It also has many numerous benefits. The foot massager stands as an excellent means for improving your mental and your physical well-being.